Oil edges lower as deliver disruption issues ease. Singapore oil prices slipped in Asia on Thursday after gaining greater than $1 in the preceding session, as concerns over deliver disruptions eased and markets looked for proof of enhancing gas demand. Brent crude futures dipped 18 cents, or 0.2%, to $97.22 a barrel through 0419 GMT, even as U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures fell 22 cents, or 0.2%, to $91.71. Oil is struggling to locate route, suggesting traders have no longer reached consensus at the outlook for supply and call for, analysts from Haitong Futures stated. U.S. crude oil shares rose by way of 5.5 million barrels in the most latest week, the U.S. Energy Information Administration stated, extra than the predicted increase of 73,000 barrels. Gasoline products supplied rose inside the maximum latest week to 9.1 million barrels consistent with day, even though that figure nonetheless shows demand down 6% over the last 4 weeks compared with the year-ago length. The premium for front-month WTI futures over barrels loading in 6 months' time become pegged at $4.38 a barrel on Thursday, the lowest in 4 months, indicating easing tightness in set-off supplies. The resumption of flows at the Russia to Europe Druzhba pipeline in addition calmed marketplace issues over international resources. Russian Kingdom oil pipeline monopoly Transneft restarted oil flows through the southern leg of the Druzhba oil pipeline. Ukraine had suspended Russian oil pipeline flows to components of significant Europe given that early this month because Western sanctions prevented it from receiving transit costs from Moscow, Transneft said on Tuesday. Meanwhile, bodily oil expenses round the world have begun to sag along futures, reflecting easing issues over Russian-led supply disruptions and heightened issues approximately a likely global financial slowdown. Monthly oil reviews from the International Energy Agency (IEA) and the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) are anticipated later on Thursday.